Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we have for sale a Honda NX250. It's a 1988 bike. It's in all right condition, not mint. The price reflects the condition of the bike though. Mechanically absolutely perfect, brakes are very good. Will need tyres, which we can fit for the additional price of the tyres itself if you want. But the bike is being sold as is. So condition wise from front to rear, as we said, the front tyre needs to be replaced. I wouldn't ride this on the road with these type of tyres. Front mud guard then has a few little nicks in it. Gaiters are fine. Onto the front headlamp is fine as well. This is onto the left hand side of the bike. We have some marks here, as you can see. Then engine area is actually alright. The plastic crash protection is actually in pretty good condition all considering. We have a missing bolt here. There's one mark there in the side panel. Up to the rear. Seat has two little signs of wear in it, in the center here and one on the rear. Has a rear carrier on it as well if you want to put a back box or something similar on it. Rear tire again needs to be changed. Wouldn't be safe for on-road use. It still has tax on it until the 7th this year. 1988 bike. And now onto the right hand side of the bike. The exhaust is actually in nice condition. I'll show you that it's completely cold for the start later on. And onto the swing arm, the center of the bike here. Front plastics, there's one crack in the front here. Has two mirrors. It's actually, all things considering, a nice bike for the price. It's quite unusual as well. This NX250, they're quite rare. They're very good off-road, and they're really great for if you're a bit smaller in stature or a lady or something like that, because they have a very low seat comparatively to other off-roady kind of bikes or enduro bikes like this. It only has 11,000 kilometers on the clock as well, which is another benefit of it. So I will start her up. So ignition on, choke all the way in, and so mechanically the bike is absolutely mint. Very, very nice bike mechanically. So all it really needs is two tyres and it's ready to go. Nice cheap run around. Something a bit different as well. So if you're interested in this kind of bike, it'll be up for sale on our Facebook page and our Done Deal page at Retro Bikes Dublin.